Good morning. Welcome back up to the homestead up here in southern Utah. The people for the cover that goes over the RV, they are here. It is bright and early in the morning, so we are getting everything situated, finding the placement on where it wants to go, or where it wants to go, where I want to put it. And then they're gonna put it on, and then we're gonna put a cover over this thing. I'm excited. Let's see how they do this.
How's it feel to let somebody else do the work?
That's a good question. It's kind of nice, actually. They're so fast. But we're sitting here watching them, and I own a construction business, or we do. And when people watch us work, it drives me nuts. So I'm trying to like not watch them, but also watch them.
They're so fast. Plus, you're not feeling good, right? You're still like pretty under the weather.
I probably got like an hour of sleep, maybe, and I was on the couch. Like I was miserable, still miserable.
You've been coughing all night.
Oh, it's kind of nice, yeah, for sure. I'm out of it. Look, we're wearing blue and blue and blue.
So many shades. I still got my mom crown on.
Mom bun.
And my mom crown.
Oh, and here's the dog.
Hi guys. Hey. Well, we found out when we backed the trailer up in here, it's definitely not straight on the garage. We're definitely gonna make this straight on the garage though, or the shop, or whatever you wanna call it.
Dale. Dale.
¿Ya?
Ya.
How's it going, guys? So as soon as those guys finished that covering on our RV, took off. We're getting into Vegas right now. I can see the strip right in front of me. We were supposed to come earlier this morning, but they didn't show up until today, but whatever. Anyways, we're coming there because somebody's birthday.
Which is the next month, but there's a lot going on.
Ricky's birthday.
It's Ricky's birthday. We're having her birthday party tomorrow. Her birthday isn't actually until October, but we're having her birthday party now while we're down in Vegas because we don't plan on coming back to Vegas until after Halloween and Dunes and all that stuff. So we're gonna come to here, have a good time. We're gonna be here for a couple days and then back up to the homestead we go. But right now we're just getting here. I feel like poop still. We're gonna go hang out at Grammy and Papo's house, and we'll catch up with you guys here in a little bit.
Bam, bam. Happy birthday to our nephew Nick, who always helps us out. You guys saw that.
Yeah, his birthday is
as
tomorrow.
Well.
No, his birthday's Saturday.
Along with his wife.
And his wife's birthday is Friday, so their
Anna.
birthdays are back to back. So we're going to celebrate their birthday as well.
Happy birthday to both of them. We
Yeah,
love them
we
very
love
much.
you guys.
Treat them.
Anyway, we'll catch up with you guys here in a little bit. We're going to go relax, and Nick says bye too. He's waving. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Happy birthday!
I sound so
Oh, he was hit right in the freaking head with that thing. That hurt so bad.
Here's your bags. Here's your bags.
You see that?
Here's your bags. Hallie.
Good
Here's your bags. Here, Coco. I have one cupcake and a slice of water. That night. Pull your oxygen. There you go.
All right, guys, our short little trip to Vegas is come to an end. We are driving back up to Utah right now. It was a good little visit. We got to visit with family and celebrate little Ricky's birthday early, but she had a good time. She's got little fuzzy things on her head. She's so cute. We're gonna head back up there, get back home. I'm excited to be back up in the mountains in the cool, fresh air. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get up there. All right, we are back up to the property. They're finishing up some homeschooling.
Oh yeah, we have schooling to do. We missed the whole day.
Yeah. We're back up here though. We're gonna call it a night. We're beat. It was a long weekend. A lot of fun times with the fam. After the long ride home, it's time to just relax for the rest of the night. I'm glad that the canopy was finally put over the RV so that we have a little bit of more shelter for the snow when it comes in like a month, 3-4 weeks, I don't know. Anyway, but that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I got some hair in my face. Anyway, we'll see you guys in a few days.